Nilagang Manok. Today we're going to make this incredible, and it's super easy. It tastes amazing. We're going to make this Filipino soup of chicken, potatoes, cabbage, and a few beans in there. It really is delicious. I am going to try with my very limited Tagalog, which is the national language of the Philippines, to point out a few names of stuff as we go along. Maybe it will help you. Let's get moving. Okay, let's take a look at what we need to make this Nilagang Manok. We've got cabbage there, chunky cut, potatoes, chicken, just chicken parts, you can use anything you want, some green beans, onion, and again, can you see that onion? That's one onion there, cut into big parts, fish sauce, ginger, black pepper corns, whole black pepper corns, and because it's a soup, we're going to use like a lot of water, add a touch of salt. Okay, so in Tagalog that will be bagu beans, sibuyas, patis, luya, pamentang bol, manok, patatas, repolyo. Okay, so I've got a large pot here with, it's pretty much half full of water. What we're going to do first is we're going to add in the fish sauce or patis, the black peppercorns, the chunky onion, everything's quite chunky in this, or sibuyas, and the ginger. Now what we're going to do is bring that to a boil and let it cook for about 7 minutes, 6 or 7 minutes like that, really kind of creating a nice kind of stock before we add our chicken. See you in about 7 minutes. Okay, this is coming along really nicely, 6 or 7 minutes there, creating a nice little stock there. Now I didn't show you this earlier, but I'm going to drop in a chicken stock cube. Now the chicken stock cube of choice in the Philippines by far is Maggi. I know some people use Knorr and other companies, but Maggi's the one. So in that goes. I'm now going to drop in our chicken parts, and they can be anything you like, legs, thighs, breast, wings. We've got it all on the go there. We're now going to also drop in a little bit of salt or asin. Just give that one little mix. Pop a lid on. We're going to stay on a kind of fairly lively heat, so it's on a nice rolling boil. We're going to go here for about 10 minutes. Okay, let's jump in now. Let's get loads of steam out. There's been tons of it. I don't want to go on the lens. 1 second. Now we're going to add our potatoes or patatas. This is so simple, this thing. It's really, and it's delicious, really. So lid's going to go back on. Going to do that for about another 5 or 6 minutes. So easy. Okay, the final stage. Let's jump in. Again, let some steam out of here. Simply, we're now going to add in our white cabbage. And again, you can see I've cut that really sort of chunky, or repolyo. And then our green beans, or Baguio beans. And just to let you know, Baguio is the name of a city north of Manila. So it's a bit like saying Yorkshire pudding or Tennessee chicken. You know, it's the name of a city there. It's about 250 kilometers or 150 odd miles north of the capital, Manila. We're going to go for about 6 more minutes and we're done. Okay, we've done it. Off goes the heat, off comes the lid, out gets the steam, and you've got yourself an amazing, this really is super tasty, chicken, vegetable, soup, stew. It's kind of in between the two, isn't it? Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment, say hi. We like to hear from you. A thumbs up is always good. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Salamat po.